Hello friends, my name is Kapil. Right now my age is 33 and I reside in Greater Noida West. I am actually into sports and I went through a lot of injuries during my sports career, and then I went through the meniscus bucket repair tear and ACL repair by Dr. Himanshu Gupta. My friend referred me a long time back. It was 6 years before I went through this treatment, and right now I am not having any problem in my injuries right now, and I am all fine with my injuries, and I have already been playing sports since last 6 years, and now I am all fine. So basically, I want to say, doctor has operated me quite well. He has took his time. He has seen my injuries, and then he has also shown me the video where I was given an anesthesia, and he has shown me the video how he has repaired my meniscus and how he has repaired my ACL tear. So both were recovered quite well, and I am very satisfied with the results.